guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Liz Rose. I do makeup tutorials and stuff like that on YouTube, so if that's something you would like to stick around and see, then please make sure to hit that red button and subscribe. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Today is a more colourful neon look, so if you want to see how I create this, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first off, if you can hear the birds, that's because the window is literally right by there, so that's why. Okay, so today I'm going to be using the Be Perfect Carnival palette by Stacey Marie. Love this palette, it is definitely a go-to. I'm going to be creating this very neon pink look. I'm going to take the Plouise base in 0, which is the white. I'm going to put that on the back of my hand. I am running out of this, unfortunately. I'm hoping my lighting's okay, but I'm not really sure. Where's my brush? There. So I'm just going to carve out my eyebrows and cover my eyelid basically. Okay, so first I'm going to take this shade, which is called Liquor, which is a dark purpley brown, and I'm going to put this in my crease. Okay, so then next I'm going to take Wasted, which is the purple shade. I'm taking that just above and on the shade that we took just now. Now next I'm going to take Funky and then Lit and then Keen. I'm just telling you now because it's pretty much the same steps that I'm taking. So the pink shade Funky, the orange shade Lit, and then the yellow shade Keen. One after another, pretty much. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is take the base and put a little bit more on the back of my hand, and of course I'm going to do a half cut crease. Okay, so I've done that. Now I'm going in with the neon pigment. Now this is the showstopper of the look. This is from Lynn's Looks, which is quite hyped about on Instagram. I've seen a lot about this company on Instagram. They're not like major big, like a big company, but I've seen them on Facebook as well, so that is what it looks like. I'm not sure what shade it is, it doesn't say on the packaging, but I'm just going to put this on the lid. So I'm going to wipe under my eyes. Now I'm going to go back into the dark purpley brown and go in the outer corner. Okay, so now I'm going to get the Colourpop gel liner in the shade Swerve. which is just a black shade. And I'm just going to line my upper lash line. Okay, so now for the face. I will get back to the eyes in a second. I have put my hair up just because I don't like having my hair down when I do my foundation, because obviously my hair is long and frizzy and curly and just gets in the way, you know. So for primer, I'm going to take the Revolution Hydrate Primer. I haven't used this much since I tested it out, but when I tested it out it seemed like a really nice hydrating primer. And if you all know, like I always say, I have dry skin. Well, dry to normal skin, to be honest. That's why I like hydrating products. I have done my eyebrows first, which I never do, but I wanted to try something new. I used to do this a lot, but now I thought, why not try it again? This is very tacky, which I quite like. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to take the Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Foundation. This is in the shade F150. I haven't tried this in a while either, and I need to like test things out within like a good period, because I keep like switching up products obviously for my videos and then not trying them out for very long. So I've only used this a few times. I know it's like a matte foundation, so it will be good to see how it performs with the hydrating base. I have got a few spots on my face as well, so we'll see how it performs with that. The smell of this foundation is very prominent. Okay, so I'm just going to blend that out with a sponge. Okay, so I'm going to go in with concealer. I'm going to take the e.l.f. 16 Hour Wear Camo Concealer in the shade Fair Rose. I actually have been testing this out recently, and I am loving it so far. I do need to get a darker shade, but yeah, it is a really nice it is a really nice concealer. Again, I'm going to blend that out with a sponge. Okay, so then I'm going to quickly set my face with the RCMA No Colour Powder. I'm going to set mainly under my eyes and like my T-zone, because I don't need much powder, because obviously, like I said, I have dry to normal skin. I want to keep as much hydration in as possible. I'm just locking in everywhere I need, and then I pretty much just bounce the sponge with the excess powder around the whole of my face, just to make sure everything's locked in. So now I'm gonna go in with bronzer. This is the Body Shop bronzing powder in 01. Just need to use this up pretty much, so that's why I'm using it. Okay, so for blush, I'm gonna take the MUA or Makeup Academy blush matte blush powder in the shade Rose Tea, which looks like this. Such a cute little rose pattern. It's actually quite pigmented, so be careful. This goes really nicely with the neon pigment, the neon pink. So then next I'm going to set my face with the Glam Glow Glow Setter Makeup Setting Spray. Okay, so then next, highlighter. So for highlighter today, I'm going to take the Ofra highlighter in Star Island. Love this so much. Such a nice highlighter. So of course I'm just going to take that on the high points of my face. But okay, I'm going to go off camera, do my eyelashes, my false eyelashes and one eye, and I will be right back. Okay, so the lower lash line, I'm going to take Liquor, which is the darkest shade we went in with in the crease. And then I'm just going to go in with Keen, which is the yellow shade, and just blend them together. It will kind of create the same effect as in the crease on the top. Oh, and by the way, the lashes I'm wearing are the T.L. Mitchell ones from Tatty Lashes. Of course, I always wear them. Everything I don't mention in this video and everything I used will be listed and linked in the description box, so make sure to check that out. So for in the inner corner, I'm going to take Pink Me from the palette and just place that in the inner corner. And then I'm going to take the Peaches and Cream pigment in Fantasy and again pop that in the inner corner. Also going to pop a bit of the highlighter we took on the face and just lightly go over that. Okay, so then for lips today, I'm going in, I haven't done lower lash mascara, hanging banger. Washed my hair yesterday and it's wild. Okay, so then for the lips, I'm going to take the Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Pencil in the shade Bow and Arrow, and then I'm going to take the HNB Cosmetics or Holly Boone line in Can't Deal. I believe they've got new packaging for this now, but I don't have that. So yeah, these lip liners are actually really good. They're really creamy and the shade's really nice because it's close to my natural lip colour. So now I'm going in with the gloss. Okay, so I believe that is it for this look. I really hope you enjoyed it. It's something different for what I've been doing recently, so it's nice to be going down the colourful look again, but slowly going in back into it. I will be posting a lot more now because I've finished uni. I'm not sure if you've seen my recent video, which is like kind of an updated life video. I'll link it up in the eye up there, so go check that out if you want to know more about me, my life, stuff like that. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are new here and if you want to see more looks like this from me. Please make sure to thumbs up this video as well if you enjoyed it. And yeah, I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.